In the Anishinaabe language, 2. Anishinaabe mung niche. This is what I thought last. Mimanda ga akanamagyaskoch. I have seen abade quikitam jaganashi mung nango wikanamage Anishinaabe moen. You have to say it in English first when you're teaching Anishinaabe language. Nijing madanikya kidang. There's two ways of saying this. Animate way of saying it. Waabmaa, waabmak, waabmaan. And a inanimate way of saying it. Waabndaan, waabndaanen. If you only see one person or one thing that is alive, you have to say, I have seen a bear. Ningi waabmaa makwa. That's for one. If you see one person or one thing that is alive, for more than one, you'd have to put a K at the end of waabmaa, which makes it waabmak. I have seen two bears. Ningi waabmak nish makwak. Ningi waabmak nish makwak. So you have to put a K at the end of waabmaa to make that sound, waabmak. Now, if you're talking about someone that has seen someone or someone that has seen something alive, you have to put an N at the end of waabmaa. So it makes the sound waabmaan. Waabmaan. Rabbit has seen raccoon. Waabus gi waabmaan esaban. Waabus gi waabmaan esaban. So if you're talking about someone that has seen someone, you have to put an N at the end of waabmaa, which makes the sound waabmaan. Now, ekonijing eshikidam, the second way of saying it, inanimate way of saying it. I have seen waabndaan, waabndaanen. I have seen a boat. Ningi waabndaan jiman. Ningi waabndaan jiman. That's if you've seen something that is single, that is inanimate, you use the word waabndaan. Waabndaan. Now, if it's more than two things that you see that is not alive, that is inanimate, you have to put a AN at the end of waabndaan, which makes the sound waabndaanen. That means you've seen more than one. For example, I have seen two boats. Ni gi waabndaanen nish jimanen. Ni gi waabndaanen nish jimanen. Like I said, more than one, you have to put an AN to make that waabndaanen sound. You could use that with anything that is not alive. Anything, that in an inanimate statement. Naha, migosh pama pibinaw. Gakit gakunumagia. We wear we talk ganina. Anishinaabe mo in the way with. Okay, later on I'll do what I taught before again. My way of saving the Anishinaabe language, our sound. Naha, migosh pama.